Hello friends, my name is Alina and you are watching my channel's Technical Alina. Today I am going to present with you a review of a wonderful projects Robin Shiba Inu tokens. If we buy it care and we can benefit from in the future. Today I will give a full review of how we can buy it. Before starting this video, if you are new on my channels, then subscribe to my channels and press bell icon for future updates. So first of all, my video starts. Robin Shiba Inu token is the Doge Killer token, is also called Doge Killer tokens, a crypto engineering organization focused on a mass blockchain solutions. By Robin Shiba, BNB dashboards pre-sale in a live contract address is a given. About Robin Shiba tokens, we have built a token that rewards in BNB to our investor for just holding Robin Shiba tokens. Robin Shiba Inu app wallet provides a simple, quick, safe means of cryptocurrency usage with the zero risk. Most importantly, it is a highly secured and anonymized. Token name is a Robin Shiba Inu token symbol is a Shiba token supply 100 contract address is a given by Robin Shiba Inu tokens is a stars 112 2021 2021 PancakeSwap listing 10/1/2022 इनिशियल बर्न्स व्यू हेयर्स फॉलो ऑन कर सकते हैं ट्विटर्स पर एंड ज्वाइन टेलीग्राम्स पर टोकन दैट रिवार्ड्स इन BNB ज्वाइन द फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग क्रिप्टो ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस Robin Shiba is a crypto engineering organization focused on blockchain technology products and audit solutions. Robin Shiba Inu tokens holder also benefits through static rewards in BNB into their wallet for a holding, and our smart contract also has a buyback function which helps in the price growth of our tokens and make it more secure. Robin Shiba Inu tokens audit solutions with the leader sports. Robin Shiba audit specializes in a blockchain security utilizing contingent all technologies and manual code review by our experts to secure smart contracts and blockchains. Launching किया 10/1/2022 Robin Shiba Inu apps wallets. Robin Shiba Inu app wallet is a multi-coin wallet app that allows you to send, receive, store, swap various cryptocurrencies safely. The program provides with you a secure access key that keeps your assets safe against authorities' access. It also has a multi-coin sports that enables you to purchase and swap thousands of coins and blockchain types. Robin Shiba Inu apps wallet will be available for installations iOS and Android mobile device. Intro Robin Shiba Inu apps wallet send and receive Robin Shiba and other tokens from app wallet. Robin Shiba app wallet is a multi-coin wallet app that allows you to send, receive, store, swap cryptocurrency safely. This program provides you with the secure access key that keeps accesses safe against authorities' accesses. It has also multi-coin sports that enable you to purchase and swap thousands of coins and blockchain types. Robin Shiba Inu apps wallet will be available for installations and iOS and Android mobile device. Is an overview of Robin Shiba Inu tokens benefits for everyone's. Robin Shiba Inu token is not only limited for buy, sale, hold but also has a real use case payments, utility, global, and also can be used for peer-to-peer lendings. Global coverage में Robin Shiba has a worldwide coverage and a promotion of the platforms of huge returns. Reliability not only reliable but trustworthy also. Based on a decentralized models, big partnerships. Robin Shiba token has a partnership with the big brands for making Robin Shiba technology high permanent. So usability में system usability has been designed while token every opinion into considerations. Airdrops rewards में Robin Shiba Inu provides 4% airdrops rewards on its ICO token sales. Static rewards में Robin Shiba has a static rewards for 4% on the every transactions in a BNB just for holding Robin Shiba tokens. Robin Shiba distribution is a blockchain technology 50%, initially burns 12% and liquidity 0%. Tax reward 3%, 4% and airdrops. Robin Shiba Technomics में 2%, blockchain technology buyback tax 2%, marketing tax 2% of marketing tax will be used for further operations, tokens develop and upgradations. 3% BNB distributions rewards will be paid on up 4% of every transaction in BNB just for holding Robin Shiba tokens. Hurry to invest to Robin Shiba tokens. Once you have entered our ecosystem, you can manage everything. Anyone with the smartphone and on an internet connection can participate in the global marketplace, the world's biggest distribution and decentralized network powered BNB, which allows the holders to receive various benefits in a completely automated way. So that we want to do in terms of scalability. Are there any examples of scalability protocols? Probably everyone has used it before. It is a called Smart Chains, Pancakes, Swap Listenings, 19 days, 90 hours, and 4 minutes and 30 seconds by Robin Shiba tokens. 100 BNB and 100 BNB hard drives and pre-sales $0.03 and pre-sales applies 300. Metaverse project working with the metaverse technology. A virtual world, a finite amount of the satellites and space modular will be sold similar to virtual billboards and living spaces with the framework of our system as well as the station's course, which will have a number of different options in a hovo interact with the virtual world. Robin Shiba tokens. Robin Shiba tokens are invested to purchase virtual and Robin Shiba metaverse stations will be mimic a rare world space stations positions in a very rare quadrant of the galaxy. What is the Robin Shiba metaverse? Is a project with the ability to utilize the power of blockchains and decentralization in order to infinity expand upon and honor the true vision of a new financial program paradigms. Human interactions and socialization has become overwhelmingly and virtual. Most people have moved their specialized and business relations to the other phone or laptops is a now during a global pandemics and new habits have already become permanent behaviors and a cultural shifts in irrevocably changing what we consider normal and acceptable. In this way, the social responsibility that exists to provide tools and resources in the virtual space is essential to create to fun adaptive environment for individuals to thrive and monetize. This stands at the core of our ethos of Robin Shiba. Read white papers. Roadmap faces blockchain technology launch, growth, expansion, utility exchange blockchains. Launching phase में वेबसाइट लॉन्च करेंगे DLC investing and 25,000 holders and CoinGeek को. Robin Shiba teams में care people behind the success. Robin Shiba, Franks Gordon, Brittany Sipnes and James Andrew and Angela Johnson and Peter Spanners, Branded Bush, Philip and Binance पर MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Token Packet, FAQ sections is a how to buy Robin Shiba token on a Pancake. What is the Robin Shiba tokens? Contact details on audios, oceans and devotions, placements and guesters and एयर एम्प्लॉय ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं टेलीग्राम्स यूट्यूब्स ट्विटर्स पर ईमेल एड्रेस इज अ गिवंस send a message. We have built a token that rewards BNB to our investors for just Robin Shiba tokens. Robin Shiba apps wallet provides simple, quick, safe means of cryptocurrency use with the zero risk. Most important, it is highly secure and animals ज्वाइन कर सकते हैं टेलीग्राम्स यूट्यूब एंड इंस्टाग्राम्स पर. I hope like you my video friends. If my video is good and subscribe to my channels and also press bell icon for few and also press bell icon and share. I will see you in the next videos. Take care.